saya sesuai dengan instruksi. Ini mikrofon siapa nih yang agak ini nih? Oke, ya, here we go from the question number one. Coba teman-teman ya, sambil teman-teman mempraktekannya. Oke, the questions it is, apakah kita biasanya berangkat ke kantor jam 7 pagi?
Do we usually go to the
Do we
office
usually
at 7 p.m.?
go to
Oke, apakah kita biasanya berangkat ke kantor jam 7 pagi? Ya,
do we
We
usually
usually
go to
go to the office
office
at
at
7
8 a.m.
okay. Do we usually go to office at 7 a.m.? Apakah kita biasanya berangkat ke office jam 7 pagi? Oke. Apa yang biasanya kamu lakukan di jam 7 pagi?
What
What
do
do
you
you
work at 7 p.m.?
at 7 p.m.?
What do you usually do at 7 p.m.? Apa yang biasanya kamu lakukan di jam 7 pagi? Mengapa kamu selalu berangkat ke kantor jam 7 pagi?
Why do
Why
you
do you
Usually
go to the office
at 7
at 7
p.m.
Okay, why do you always go to office at 7 a.m.? Mengapa kamu selalu pergi ke kantor jam 7 pagi? Oke. Dengan siapa biasanya kamu berangkat ke kantor?
With whom do you always go
to the office
at
7
a.m.?
a.m.
Oke. Ya, with whom do you usually go to office at 7 a.m.? Siapa yang biasanya pergi ke kantor jam 7 pagi?
Who
does
usually goes usually office at
Okay. Who usually goes?
Oh yeah.
Okay. Who usually goes to the office at 7 a.m.? Okay. Coba kita langsung ke nomor 2. Ya, the questions number 2 it is. Coba ya. Apakah pamanmu sedang memperbaiki mobilmu?
Is your
uncle
repairing your car?
Okay, is your uncle repairing your car? Okay, apa yang sedang pamanmu perbaiki?
What
is your uncle
repair?
What is your uncle repairing?
Ya, what is your uncle repairing? Apa yang sedang pamanmu perbaiki? Dengan siapa pamanmu sedang memperbaiki mobil?
With whom
Is
your uncle repairing?
Okay, with whom is your uncle repairing your car? Okay, dengan siapa? Kemudian coba, mengapa pamanmu sedang memperbaiki mobilmu?
Why is your uncle repairing your car?
Okay, why is your uncle repairing your car? Okay, ya, coba. The next question is this one. Whose sound is that? Okay, ya. Lisa belum mandi.
Lisa
has not taken a bath.
Okay, Lisa has not taken a bath. Lisa belum mandi. Oke, kemudian coba, apakah Lisa sudah mandi?
Has
Lisa
Has Lisa taken a bath?
Has Lisa taken a bath?
Oke, has Lisa taken a shower? Apakah Lisa sudah mandi? Oke. Di mana Lisa telah mandi?
Where
does
Where
where
has Lisa
shower?
take a shower?
Where has
Where
Lisa
has Lisa
taken a shower?
taken a
Oke, where has
shower?
Lisa taken a shower atau where has Lisa taken a bath? Oke. Siapa yang baru saja mandi?
Who has
taken a bath?
Who has just taken a bath?
Oke, who has just taken a bath? Siapa yang baru saja mandi? Oke, and then now here we go to the questions number 4. Coba ya. Apakah mereka telah bekerja di luar negeri selama 10 tahun?
have
They
they
been
Working.
for
have
7
they
years.
Been
been
working abroad?
working
Have
in 10
they
years, for 10 years.
been working abroad?
For 7 years.
Oke, have they been working abroad for 10 years? Apakah mereka telah bekerja di luar negeri selama 10 tahun? Siapa yang telah bekerja di luar negeri selama 10 tahun?
Who has
Working
who has
Who has
working
working
10 years?
who has been
10
working
years.
For 10 years.
Oke, who has been working abroad for 10 years? Ya, siapa yang telah bekerja di luar negeri selama 10 tahun? Ya, mengapa mereka telah bekerja di luar negeri selama 10 tahun?
They
Why
have
I have they working
been
10
why
years.
have been
Why have they been working
10 years.
working abroad
Oke,
for 10 years?
why have they been working abroad for 10 years? Ya, mengapa mereka telah bekerja di luar negeri selama 10 tahun? Dengan siapa mereka telah bekerja di luar negeri selama 10 tahun?
With whom they have been working
abroad 10
as
years.
they
for
with
10 years.
whom as they working abroad?
Okay, with whom have they been working abroad for 10 years? Dengan siapa mereka telah bekerja di luar negeri selama 10 tahun. Okay, and then the next it is, coba ya. Lisa tidak ikut kelasnya Mr. Jess kemarin.
Lisa
Lisa
did not
Lisa didn't
yesterday.
Lisa didn't
did not
join
join
Mr. Jess class. Ya, yes sir. Yesterday. Ya, Lisa tidak ikut kelasnya Mr. Jess kemarin. Oke, mengapa Lisa tidak ikut kelasnya Mr. Jess kemarin?
why did Lisa did why did
join
Why didn't Lisa join Mr. Jess class? Yes sir. Yesterday. Oke. Ya. Siapa yang tidak ikut kelasnya Mr. Jess kemarin?
who didn't join
Who didn't join?
yesterday?
Nah, kalau negatif ya, siapa yang tidak ikut? Berarti who didn't join Mr. Jess class? Yes, yesterday. Kalau siapa yang ikut kelasnya Mr. Jess kemarin?
Who joined
Who joined
Mr. Jess
Mr. Jess class?
yesterday?
Yes, yesterday. Oke, coba. Now it is number 6. Ya. Apa yang akan kamu beli besok?
What
will you
buy
will you buy tomorrow?
Tomorrow.
Okay, what will you buy tomorrow? Ya, coba. Aku tidak akan beli apa-apa besok.
I won't
will
buy
Not
I will
not
not
buy
buy
anything
tomorrow.
I will not buy.
Okay, I will not buy anything tomorrow.
tomorrow.
Aku tidak akan beli apapun besok. Apakah kamu akan beli sesuatu besok?
Will you
Will you buy
Will you buy
something
something
tomorrow?
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 Okay, will you buy something tomorrow? Okay. Dengan siapa kamu akan membeli sesuatu besok?
With whom
With
will you
whom
buy
will you
something
buy
tomorrow?
Buy
something tomorrow? Why?
Hey, with whom will you buy something tomorrow?
Tomorrow.
Okay, ya, itu ya. Silakan teman-teman, ini harus sudah mulai bisa dipelajari. Sekarang coba kita masuk ke membuat contoh pernyataan dengan kata pasif.
003.
Kita mulai dari soal nomor 1, coba ya. Buku ini ditulis oleh Mr. Jess. Ayo.
The book
This book is written by Mr.
by Mr. Jess.
Buku ini ditulis oleh Mr. Jess. This book is bacanya bukan written ya, bacanya written. Okay. Ya, this book is written by Mr. Jess. Oke, buku ini ditulis oleh Mr. Jess. Buku ini tidak ditulis oleh Mr. Jess.
This book is not written by
It's not written by Mr.
Okay,
Jess.
this book is not written by Mr. Jess. Apakah buku ini ditulis oleh Mr. Jess?
Is this book
written by Mr. Jess?
Okay, is this book written by Mr. Jess? Bukankah buku ini ditulis oleh Mr. Jess?
Isn't this book written by Mr.
Jess?
Okay, apa yang ditulis oleh Mr. Jess?
What is written by Mr. Jess?
Is written by Mr. Jess.
Okay, what is written by Mr. Jess? Okay, kemudian di mana buku ini ditulis oleh Mr. Jess?
Where is this book written by Mr. Jess?
Okay, where is this book written by Mr. Jess? Kapan buku ini ditulis oleh Mr. Jess?
When is written by Mr. Jess?
When is this book written by Mr. Jess? Mengapa buku ini ditulis oleh Mr. Jess?
Why is this book written by Mr.
Jess?
Why is this book written by Mr. Jess? Sekarang coba deh kita review lagi ya, beberapa masih pada lupa ya. Okay, wait. Kue ini dibuat oleh ibuku. Coba, ayo. This
cake
Made by
Is
my
my mom.
Okay, this cake is made by my mom. Kalau kue ini tidak dibuat oleh ibuku,
This cake is not
By my mom.
My mom.
hey, this cake is not made by my
My mom.
mom.
My mom.
Apakah kue ini dibuat oleh ibuku?
Is
This
this
by my mom. By my mom.
made by
By my mom.
Okay, is
this
this cake made by my
My
mom?
mom.
Apakah kue ini dibuat oleh ibuku? Ya, kemudian bukankah kue ini
Isn't.
dibuat oleh ibuku?
This cake
Isn't this
Cake
made by my mom?
by my mom.
Okay, isn't this cake made by my mom? Okay, isn't this cake made by
by
my mom? Okay. Kemudian coba apa yang dibuat oleh ibuku?
What is
My mom
Made by my mom.
by my mom?
Okay, ya, what is made
by
by my mom? Apa yang dibuat oleh ibuku? Di mana kue ini dibuat oleh ibuku?
where
Is this
cake
made by mom?
By my mom.
by my mom.
Where is this cake made by my mom? Kapan kue ini dibuat oleh ibuku?
When is
Where is this
cake
by mom?
When is this cake made by my mom? Kemudian, mengapa kue ini dibuat oleh ibuku?
why
Made by mom?
why is this cake
Why is this cake made by my mom? Kemudian, coba. Bagaimana kue ini dibuat oleh ibuku?
How
Is made by
my mom?
How is this cake made by my mom? Kue siapa yang dibuat oleh ibuku?
Whose cake?
this cake
This cake is made
by my
By
mom?
my mom.
my mom. Kue yang mana yang dibuat oleh ibuku?
Which cake?
cake is made by
Made by my mom?
Okay, which cake is made by my mom? Oke, ya itu ya teman-teman apa namanya tentang present simple tense passive voice. Jadi ya seperti biasa teman-teman pokoknya harus bisa membuat contoh kalimat dengan menggunakan kata G seperti itu ya. Oke, sekarang coba kita apa namanya lanjutkan ke topik berikutnya, teman-teman. Wait, I would like to move this thing first. Oke, ya kita masuk ke poin kedua, yaitu tentang bagaimana cara teman-teman nanti menggunakan apa namanya present continuous passive voice. Oke, ya, oke, ya kita akan belajar tentang bagaimana cara teman-teman nanti menggunakan present continuous passive voice atau cara ngomong sedang di, gitu ya. Oke, sedang di. Pakainya apa Mr. Jess? Ya, nanti kita pakai to be teman-teman ya. Sama, kita pakai to be, am.
M is
Kemudian pakai is. Gitu ya, pakai is. Ya, dan juga pakai are. Nah, kemudian tambahkan being.
Being.
Bab 3.
Dan baru kata kerjanya di situ adalah pakai kata kerja bentuk yang ketiga. Okay, and the verb it is using verb 3. Okay. Contoh, misalkan ya kita mau buat contoh kalimat. Nasi ini sedang dimasak oleh ibuku. How do you say this? Ayo.
This rice
Is being
Nah,
cooked.
this rice. Yang perlu kalian pakai di sini apa? To be dulu tetap sama ya. Kalian pakai to be ya, tapi ditambahkan being. This rice is being cooked
My mom.
by my mom.
My mom.
Okay, this rice is being cooked by my mom. Ya, oleh ibu. Okay, this rice is being cooked by my mom. Kue ini nasi ini sedang dimasak oleh ibuku. Okay, coba the next. Kita lanjutkan di sini, misalkan kita buat contoh lagi. Itu mikrofonnya bisa dimatikan dulu nggak teman-teman? Biar tidak mengganggu teman-teman yang lain. Saya mute dulu ya.
Ada dulu yang dekat-dekat nih, siapa nih?
Kue ini, nasi ini tidak sedang dimasak oleh ibuku. Ayo, jadinya gimana kalau di sini kita mau ngomong tidak?
This
Rice is not by my mom.
Not being cooked. Oke, ya. Jadi di sini this rice is not being cooked by my mom. Oke. Kalau kita bertanya dengan kata apakah nasi ini sedang dimasak oleh ibuku, jadi
Is
Is
this
this
rice
rice
being cooked
being cooked by my mom?
Isn't
Okay. Is this rice being cooked by my mom? Oke, apakah nasi ini sedang dimasak oleh ibuku? Bukankah ya nasi ini sedang dimasak oleh ibuku?
Isn't this rice being cooked by my mom?
Okay, isn't this rice being cooked by mom? Oke, kemudian coba apa yang sedang dimasak oleh ibuku? Berarti
What is being cooked
by
by my mom?
okay, ya, what is being cooked by my mom? Di mana nasi ini sedang dimasak oleh ibuku?
Where is rice being cooked by my mom?
Is being cooked by my mom.
Okay, where is this rice being cooked by my mom? Oke, kemudian coba kapan nasi ini sedang dimasak oleh ibuku?
When
This rice is being cooked by my mom?
By my mom.
Okay, ya, when is this rice being cooked by my mom? Mengapa nasi ini sedang dimasak oleh ibuku?
Why
Is this rice being cooked
by
my mom?
Okay, why is this rice being cooked by my mom? Okay, gitu ya. Why is this rice being cooked by my my mom. Oke. Ya, itu ya cara teman-teman nanti membuat contoh kalimat dengan kata sedang di. Ya, pokoknya fokusnya pakai apa, Mr. Jess? Pakai to be, am, is, are, dan kemudian pakai being, dan kata kerjanya adalah pakai kata kerja bentuk yang ketiga. Oke. Ya, silakan. Siapa yang mau coba dulu buat contoh kalimat dengan kata sedang di? Silakan.
Devita, Mr. Jess.
Sorry,
Devita.
Devita. Ayo coba Devita buat contohnya.
This picture is being drawn by Lina.
This picture is being drawn by
Lina.
siapa?
Lina.
Lina. Oke, ya saya tulis di sini ya. Wait. This
Picture
is
is
being
being drawn
by
Lina.
Lina. Oke. Itu kurang picture. Wait. Coba dirubah ke tidak.
This picture is not being drawn by Lina.
Okay, this picture is not being drawn by Lina. Okay, apakah?
Is this picture being drawn by Lina?
Bukankah?
Isn't this picture being drawn by Lina?
Okay, kemudian apa yang?
What is being drawn by Lina?
Okay, what is being drawn by Lina? Di mana gambar ini dibuat oleh Lina?
Where is this picture being drawn by Lina?
Okay, yeah. Where is this picture being drawn by Lina? Kapan? When is? Ayo.
When is this picture being drawn by Lina?
Okay, ya. Kemudian mengapa?
Why is this picture being drawn by Lina?
Okay, why is this picture being drawn by Lina? Okay, kemudian gambar siapa yang sedang digambar oleh Lina?
Whose picture is being drawn by Lina?
Okay, gambar yang mana?
Which picture is being drawn by Lina?
Okay, bagaimana?
How is
This picture being drawn by
Lina?
Lina. Okay, ya. Next, siapa lagi yang mau coba? Ayo.
Thank you.
Okay, what is your name, sister? Siapa? Siapa yang mau coba? Stephen. Okay, Stephen. Coba, ayo. What will be your example? Contohmu gimana, coba?
This game is being played by Bayu.
This?
This game
Okay. This game is
being played
played by
Bayu.
Bayu. Oke. Ya, game ini sedang dimainkan oleh Bayu. Oke, coba sekarang kita merubahnya menjadi 5 aturan bentuk kalimat dengan kata ya sedang di. Coba kalau tidak sedang di.
This game isn't being played by Bayu.
Okay, this game is not being played by Bayu. Kemudian coba apakah game ini sedang dimainkan oleh Bayu?
Is this game being played by Bayu?
Oke, bukankah game ini sedang dimainkan oleh Bayu?
Isn't this game being played by Bayu?
Oke, isn't this game being played by Bayu? Apa yang sedang dimainkan oleh Bayu?
What is being Bayu played?
Oke, what is being played by Bayu? Apa yang sedang dimainkan oleh Bayu? Di mana game ini sedang dimainkan oleh Bayu?
Where is this game being played by Bayu?
Oke, ya. Where is this game being played by Bayu? Oke, kapan game ini sedang dimainkan oleh Bayu?
When is this game being played by Bayu?
Oke, ya. Kemudian, mengapa game ini sedang dimainkan oleh Bayu?
Why this game is being played by Bayu?
Oke, game siapa yang sedang dimainkan oleh Bayu?
Whose game is being played by Bayu?
Game yang mana yang sedang dimainkan oleh Bayu?
Which game is being played by Bayu?
Bagaimana game ini sedang dimainkan oleh Bayu?
How is this game being played by Bayu?
Oke, who wants to try again? Siapa lagi yang mau coba? Ayo.
Saya.
Saya Mister.
Oke, yo brother, what is your name?
Saya.
Ya, what is your name, brother? Siapa?
Lianun.
These letters being
Lianun.
sent by
Oke, Hanun. Coba contohmu gimana?
My toys is stolen by Budi. OR ya.
Sedang ya, pakainya being. Ulang, coba. My toys
Are being stolen by
are being stolen by
Bayu.
by
Budi deh.
Oke. Coba. Tidak sedang dicuri.
My toys are not being stolen by Budi.
Apakah sedang dicuri?
Are my toys being stolen by Budi?
Oke. Ya, kemudian bukankah
Are not my toys being stolen by Budi?
Aaron.
Oh iya, aren't.
Oke. Aren't my toys?
Aren't my toys being stolen by Budi?
Oke. Kemudian apa yang sedang dicuri oleh Budi? What is being
What is being stolen by Budi?
Oke, what is being stolen by Budi? Oke, kemudian coba di mana sedang dicuri?
Where is being stolen by Budi?
Oke, where are my toys being stolen by Budi? Oke, kapan?
Tadi yang what? Kenapa pakai is kalau yang where?
Ya,
Dan
ini
lain-lain
karena
pakai
kita
apa?
masih menanyakan subjek ya. Apa yang sedang dicuri oleh Budi? Kalau
Hanya
menanyakan
what saja
subjek,
yang pakai
ya
is.
anggap aja kita belum tahu siapa tuh subjeknya, maka pakainya. Oke. Yuk. Ulang tadi, why? Coba. Mengapa?
Why are my toys being stolen by Budi?
By Budi. Oke. Kemudian, ya, boneka siapa? Mainan siapa?
Whose are my toys being
Whose
stolen?
toys? Whose toys
Whose
are?
toys are being stolen by Budi?
Oke. Ya, mainan yang mana?
Which toys are being stolen by Budi?
Oke. Ya, bagaimana?
How toys are being stolen by Budi?
Oke. How are the toys being stolen by Budi? Oke. Silakan, yang lain coba.
Aku, Mister.
Ya, what will be your example, sister?
Okay. This juice is being drunk. Drunk apa drunk sih, Mister? Drunk.
Drunk.
Drunk by Sinta. This
This
juice is
is being
being.
drunk
This
by.
juice being drunk by Sinta.
Oke. Ya, coba. Tidak.
This juice is not being drunk by Sinta.
Apakah?
Is this just being drunk by Sinta?
Is this juice?
Is this juice being drunk by Sinta?
Bukankah sedang di.
Isn't this juice being drunk by Sinta?
Oke. Apa yang sedang?
What is this juice being drunk by Sinta?
What is
Being, drink,
What is this juice being?
drunk by Sinta.
Oke. What is being drunk by Sinta? Ini jangan ditanya, jangan disebutin.
Enggak ya?
Ya, what is being drunk by Sinta? Apa yang sedang diminum oleh Sinta? Oke.
Where is juice being drunk by Sinta?
Oke. Kapan?
When is this juice being drunk by Sinta?
Oke. Mengapa?
Why is this juice being drunk by Sinta?
Oke. Jus siapa?
Whose juice is this being drunk by Sinta?
Jus yang mana?
Which juice is being drunk by Sinta?
Bagaimana?
How is juice being drunk by Sinta?
Oke. How is the juice being drunk by Sinta? Oke, yang lain siapa lagi yang mau coba? Ayo.
Saya Mister
Oke. What is your name?
Ada.
Oke. Yuk, coba.
This umbrella is being bought by me.
Ulang. Dari positif dulu.
This umbrella is being bought by me.
Oke. Coba. Kalau tidak.
This umbrella is not being bought by me.
Oke.
Is
Apakah?
this umbrella being bought by me?
Oke. Bukankah?
Isn't this umbrella being bought by me?
Oke. Apa yang sedang dibeli?
What is being bought by me?
Oke. Di mana pajak ini sedang dibeli?
Where is this umbrella being bought by me?
Oke. Kapan?
When is this umbrella being bought by me?
Mengapa?
Why is this umbrella being bought by me?
Oke. Payung siapa?
Whose umbrella is being bought
By
by
Dani.
me?
Payung yang mana?
Which umbrella is being bought by me?
Oke, bagaimana payung ini dibeli olehku?
How is this umbrella being bought by me?
Oke, ya sekarang coba kita bakal praktek ke latihan di modul ya. Coba teman-teman di sini latihan merubah ke bentuk pasif. Oke, ya di sini ada contoh kalimat aktif. Teman-teman di sini harus bisa merubahnya menjadi bentuk pasif. Di situ ada contoh soal. I am examining 20 students. Saya sedang menguji 20 siswa sekarang. Berarti ini kalau dirubah ke bentuk pasif jadinya gimana? 20 siswa
20 students
ya, 20 siswa sedang diuji oleh saya. Coba kalau kalian mau ngomong 20 siswa sedang diuji olehku sekarang. Berarti apa? 20
students are being
Oke. 20 students apa pakainya?
are being
Being
some minutes.
examined examined
examined
By me.
by me. Ya, olehku. By me, right now. She is sweeping the floor now. Dia sedang menyapu lantai sekarang. Berarti kalau kita rubah menjadi pasif, lantai sedang disapu oleh perempuan. Berarti gimana?
The floor is
being
by her.
Oke, ya, the floor is
swept
being
Being swept
swept by her. Now, kemudian coba masuk ke soal di nomor 3. Are you recording this event? Apakah kamu sedang merekam event ini? Berarti kalau kita berubah menjadi pasif, apakah event ini sedang direkam olehmu? Coba kalau kalian mau ngomong, apakah event ini sedang direkam olehmu? Berarti
Is this event being recorded by you?
Recorded by you.
Okay, is this event being recorded by you? Ya, apakah event ini sedang direkam olehmu? Okay. Ya, Mr. Sam is delivering my order now. Mr. Sam sedang mengantar pesananku sekarang. Berarti kalau dirubah ke pasif, pesananku sedang diantar oleh Mr. Sam.
My order is
Delivered by Mr. Sam.
delivered by Sam.
Okay.
By Mr.
My
Sam.
order is being
Delivered
okay. Delivered
by Mr. Sam.
by Mr. Sam.
Now.
Okay, my orders is being delivered by Mr. Sam's now. And then the next, he is not painting the landscape at this moment. Dia tidak sedang mewarnai sebuah hal pemandangan saat ini. Berarti gimana?
The landscape
is not
not being painted.
Okay.
It's not being
The
painted.
landscape is
Not
painted.
not
Being painted.
being
painted
By him
By
By
him
at this moment.
at this moment.
Okay, this landscape is not being painted by him at this moment. Okay, by him at this moment. Are they solving this problem? Apakah mereka sedang menyelesaikan masalah ini? Berarti kan jadinya apakah masalah ini sedang diselesaikan oleh mereka? Coba gimana kalau kalian mau ngomong, apakah masalah ini sedang diselesaikan oleh mereka?
Is
Is this problem being solved
being
by
solved
them?
by them?
Okay, ya, is this
This problem
problem
being
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 solved
solved
by
by them.
by them.
By them.
oleh mereka.
Yes.
A reporter is reporting the news. Seorang reporter itu sedang mereport sebuah berita. Berarti gimana? Apakah berita
News
Is this news
The news
apa?
is
the
being
news is being reported
reported by
news
the reporter.
The news
being reported by a
by
reporter?
the news
Is
Being-
the news
being being reported by a reporter.
reported by
Reporter.
reporter.
Itu bukan kalimat tanya, Mister.
Kenapa? Oh, bukan kalimat tanya ya.
Yeah,
Wait.
yeah.
the news.
Oke.
News
This is
Berarti
the
the
news
news.
is reported.
news
news
is being
is
Ya, the news.
is being
Berarti
reported by reporter.
ya is
Is being
being
Reported
reported
By reporter.
by a
reported by a reporter.
Reporter.
Russia is attacking Ukraine. Berarti
Ukraine.
right.
Ukraine
Ukraine
is
is being
attacked
is being
attacked.
attacked by Russia.
Attacked by Russia. Russia.
okay, Ukraine is being attacked by Russia. Okay. Yeah. Ukraine is being attacked by Russia. Is a cat hunting a mouse in the kitchen? Apakah seekor kucing sedang memburu tikus di dapur? Berarti gimana?
Is a mouse
Is
Mouse in the kitchen
is a
being
mouse
hunted
being
being
hunted
hunted.
by cat.
Is.
Being hunted.
Oke. Ya, berarti
mouse.
is the mouse. The
A
mouse.
mouse
In the
Okay,
mouse
is the mouse.
being
is the mouse.
is
Is the
A mouse
a mouse
mouse
being
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 hunted?
hunted by a cat in the kitchen.
Yes. Is a mouse being hunted by a
By-
cat
in
in
the
the in the
the
kitchen?
kitchen.
Okay. My mom is cutting chili right now.
Chili.
Chili is
Chili is
The
being cut.
chili
Being cut by mom right now.
being cut
by
The chili is being cut. Cut.
by my mom.
Oh, cut ya. Oke.
Yeah, the chili is being cut by my mom.
My-
Cut itu bentuk ketiganya sama ya. Cut. Same. Oke. Ya, ini teman-teman ya. Sedang diuji, sedang disapu. Apakah sedang direkam, sedang diantar, tidak sedang diwarnai. Apakah sedang diselesaikan, sedang di-report atau dilaporin, sedang diserang, apakah sedang diburu, sedang dipotong.
Potong.
Itu jadi teman-teman pokoknya di bagian continuous tense gitu ya. Yang kalian harus selalu pakai adalah to be, pasti ada being, pasti ada verb 3. Gitu ya. Kompetensinya gimana Mr. Jess? Sama, teman-teman di sini pokoknya harus bisa membuat 5 aturan bentuk kalimat yang teman-teman sudah pelajari di bagian tenses awal. Jadi apa namanya conclusion-nya di sini? Kalau kalian sudah bisa membuatnya menjadi 5 kalimat, nanti maka itu enak.
Enggak begitu.
Coba kita jawab di halaman 56.
Sudah.
Laporan ini sedang diketik oleh asistenku.
Iya, jelas.
This
report
This report
being
is being written
by my assistant.
my assistant.
typed.
Okay, this report is being typed by my assistant. Soal-soal ini sedang dijawab oleh kita.
These questions are being
This question
answered
Sedang dijawab oleh kita.
by us.
Okay.
answered by us.
Is being being
Answer being by us.
And answer
Being answered.
are being answered by us. Apakah tanaman ini sedang dicari banyak orang?
Is
Is this plant
is line
be
is this pen
is this
Is
being
this plant
Look.
being looked for by many
by many people?
people.
Oke. Ya. Paketku sedang diantar ke rumahku oleh kurir.
My packet is being delivered
My pocket is
to my
being
house by
delivered.
courier.
delivered
Oke, sedang diantar. Is being
Being delivered.
to
okay, delivered to my house by the courier.
where courier.
Rumahku tidak sedang direnovasi oleh mereka.
My
My home is not being renovated
Renovated by them.
Okay. My house is not being renovated by them. Para pelamar kerja sedang diinterview oleh HRD.
The applicator apa ya?
The job
The job
applicants. Yeah, the job
Are
applicants
are being
interviewed
by
by
human
HRD.
resources development.
Interview by HR.
Yeah. Okay. The job applicants are being interviewed by the HRD. Mobil listrik sedang diproduksi oleh Elon Musk di Indonesia.
Electric
The electric car
is being produced
by
Yeah, produced by Elon Musk in Indonesia. Bukankah topik ini sedang didiskusikan oleh para menteri?
This topic
Isn't this topic being
being
discussed
By
by
By the the ministers.
ministers.
Sistem baru ini sedang dikembangkan oleh para ahli.
The new
the new system is
developed
being
by
developed
Develop
By the experts.
Experts.
the
by
expert.
expert.
Laptopku sedang diisi ulang.
My laptop
My laptop is being charged.
recharged.
Being charged.
Being
Being charged.
charged. Recharged.
Richard.
Recharged.
My laptop.
Ya, recharge. My laptop is being recharged. Ya, itu ya. Sama, pokoknya di sini teman-teman kompetensinya harus bisa membuat 5 aturan bentuk kalimat dengan menggunakan passive voice. Ya, oke. Nah, ini ya, ini sudah kalian pelajari, Oke, ada pertanyaan? Silakan.
Enough.
Is there any question?
Izin
Ada yang
bertanya, Mister.
mau bertanya? Kalau yang silakan.
Mister,
Boleh.
kapan kita
Ya,
pakai
siapa yang
this?
siapa mau?
Mister, kapan kita pakai
Putus-putus suaranya. Kapan kita pakai apa?
pakai this? Kapan kita pakai the, Mister?
Kapan kita pakai this? Kapan kita pakai the?
Iya, Mister.
Oke, this sama the ya. Bedanya apa? Kalau this itu kan menunjukkan ini gitu ya. Maksudnya penunjuk. Itu pakai demonstratif. Maksudnya kalau kalian mau pakai the itu digunakan untuk menyebutkan sesuatu yang sudah jelas sebenarnya kalau kalian mau pakai the. Oke, contoh kalau kalian mungkin mau bilang the car, ya, maksudnya mobil tersebut itu sudah diketahui olehmu, ya, bukan barang asing lagi, gitu
Lebih
ya.
spesifik ya.
Oke, itu penggunaan the. Mungkin teman-teman pakai the itu digunakan untuk benda yang seperti apa sih, Mr. Jess? Oke, bisa saya sebutkan di sini ya. The itu digunakan untuk konteks apa? Satu, ya, untuk menyebutkan benda apa, benda yang sudah diketahui, gitu ya.
Ya.
Sudah diketahui. Oke, kemudian ya unik. Unik apa? Yang mungkin satu-satunya lah.
Ya.
Ya, satu-satunya. Misalkan kita bilang matahari, kita boleh nggak bilang a sun? Pasti bilangnya the sun. Ya, itu satu-satunya. Mungkin kita mau bilang bulan, pakainya apa? The moon. Ya, langit, kita bilang the sky. Ya, unik satu-satunya. Kemudian kita bisa digunakan juga untuk menyebutkan apa? Semacam
negara.
Organisasi. Gitu ya. Organisasi. Ya, atau kelompok lah, atau perkumpulan orang. Contoh kita bilang mungkin fansnya Chelsea disebut apa?
The Chelsea.
The Blues. Nah, fansnya MU disebut apa?
Red Devil.
Ya, the Red Devils gitu ya. Fansnya Liverpool, the Reds. Oke, ya, itu buat nama-nama grup maupun sebuah organisasi. Itu penggunaan. Oke. Ya, seperti itu.
Terima kasih, Mister.
Oke. Ya, sudah jam 9 teman-teman ya. Kita ketemu lagi besok ada yang di jam 7 dan juga ada yang di jam 8. Ya, Silakan teman-teman bisa langsung dikerjakan di halaman-halaman yang lain. Ini videonya sudah ada, kunci jawabannya juga sudah ada, tinggal teman-teman latihan lagi sama dicek gitu ya.
Ya.
Oke. Ya, thank you everyone. So